can be translated to a lot of different ways. How about if I go into a factory, a giant factory, and I recognize that there's waste, but I don't know how to solve the waste equation. Can you solve it for them?
The vast majority of companies today waste too much. We waste too much in the grid. We waste too much with electromagnetic radio waves and cell phone radios. We waste too much materials because we can't simulate the logistics and the manufacturing logistics. So we waste a whole bunch of things to overcompensate for the fact that we don't simulate. We want to simulate all factories in metaverses, in this omniverse. We want to simulate plants in omniverse. We want to simulate the world's power grids in the omniverse. And by doing that, we could improve we could decrease the amount of waste. And that's the reason why the economics are so good for companies. They're willing to invest a small amount of money to buy into this artificial intelligence capability, but what they save is hopefully hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars.
Right. Now, let's say I am a fast food company. I'm listening to this interview. Shouldn't I pick up the phone and call you and say, because I realize that there's one extra person whom the job I can't fill. It's not like you're throwing people out of work. There's far more jobs than there are people. But you are solving a major problem for so many customer service facing companies.
Every single drive-through, every single fast food restaurant, every single retail store, we should have automated avatars, agents that represent your brand, and we can teach this character how to be your brand and understand your business and provide excellent customer support all over the place.